So, ito siya. Ang aking Maha Blanca. See? $800 milliliters of coconut milk. Half can of corn kernels. 1 can of cream of corn. 1 can of evaporated milk. And a can of condensed milk. And ito, just mix. And this is about a cup of cornstarch or corn flour and half cup of water. Mix lang natin. And then, i-boil muna natin to before natin i-mix tong cornstarch na may tubig. Let this boil. And then, saka natin i-add yung cornstarch mixture. Dapat hindi yung kulong-kulo, otherwise, iiwala yung gata. So, ilagay nyo na yung cornstarch at continuous lang yung paghalo kasi mabilis na siyang lalapot. Ito, pwede na, okay na. Masyadong malaki yung lalagyan, so isali natin. Kapag malamig na siya, lagyan nyo ng cheese or latik kung meron kayong latik. But since tamad ako, cheese na lang. Yun lang. Till next time. Babush!